Hello, my name is Danny. I mail and interview our daily activities to Carlos Sepúlveda. Hello, Carlos. Do you usually get up early or late? Hi, Danny. I usually get up early. Well, when do you take a nap? I often take a nap in the afternoon after lunch. What time do you listen to music? I sometimes listen to music. When do you go for a walk? I walk 3 times per week. How often do you take a vacation? I take vacation twice per year. How often do you go to the gym? I never go to the gym. How often do you go to the movie theater? I rarely go to the movie theater. What time do you watch TV? I frequently watch TV. When do you visit your friends? I visit them once per month. What time do you check out your emails? I always check my emails. Thanks, Carlos. Bye, Daniel. Thanks.